Hi everyone, so in this video we will learn how to use template literals in JavaScript ES6. First we'll see what kind of problems we'll face if we'll not use it. Let's go to code editor and type a string. So let's make it var message and put single quote, and this is a string. I'm not saying that you are not good enough. I want this to be in double quotes. So in JavaScript you can delimit a string using single quote or a double quote. In this case I'm making use of a single quote, so I can use double quotes inside it. Let's make use of console log to print it out. And this is the output. I'm getting a double quote here. But if I want to have a single quote here, what will happen? See, I'm getting an error here because I'm adding this string here, I'm adding this string here, so I'm getting this kind of a weird error. So let's do one thing, just remove this double quote from here and use double quote here to delimit the string. Now I can make use of single quotes inside this string, but I can't make use of double quotes. Just save it, and this is the output. How we can fix this? How we can get double quote inside the string? For that, let's make it single quote first and restore that double quote. Wait a minute. Okay, just remove it, make it IM. For this we have to make use of escape character here, which is backslash, and here. Now I can make use of double quotes. If I want to make use of single quote, I can make it here and put backslash, and this is the output. Okay, I forgot to save. This is the output. So you are getting single quote and the double quote in a string. Suppose I want to have some space here, like a couple of new lines, and if I'll save it, and this is the output. If I'll try to put a new line character here, which you already know it is backslash n, save it, and I'll get this new line. So you can see we're facing a lot of issues while making use of single quotes, double quotes, new line character in a string. How we can fix this? We can fix this by making this string a template literal using backticks in ES6. So in the front, add a backtick, in the end, add a backtick, and just get rid of this single quote. Okay, now remove this part, remove this new line character, remove this, and remove this. Now you can see we are making use of double quotes inside a string, we are making use of a single quote inside a string, and the output will be this. So we don't need to make use of that escape character backslash to print out this single quote and a double quote. If I'll put some space here, just save it, and you'll get this kind of output. You can see we're not getting any kind of error, we're simply getting some space. And just restore it. Let's see what will happen if I'll make use of a new line character here. I'll get new line. So in case if in the future I want to print out this escape character also, how can I do so? For that you have to make use of a string dot raw. That's it. So this will be a string, and it will print out single quote, this escape character, these double quotes, and you will get this kind of a output. So you have seen in the ES5 we're facing a lot of issues while creating a string which contains single quotes, double quotes, escape characters. In ES6 we can simply convert this entire string into a template literal using backticks, and we can print out escape character, single quotes, double quotes. We can even have some spaces in a string. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.